So Binance P2P. Yeah, so in this video, I'll be basically covering how do you buy USDT using the Binance P2P platform in Binance. Yeah, so it's been quite a while since I posted the video. I'll be showing you how you can buy USDT from other users so that it's into your Binance account. So what Binance P2P is, Binance P2P stands for peer-to-peer. Yeah, so basically Binance P2P is a trading platform that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other. Yes, so once you're in your Binance, you'll simply have to head to where there is trade right here, and then we have spot, we have margin, we have P2P, convert, and block trade. We have APIs, we have copy trading bots. So what we're interested in here right here is Binance P2P, which is right here. Yes, so you click on Binance P2P. So once you're in Binance P2P, you'll see something like this. Yeah, so basically here we can see various merchants that have posted their ads right here. Yeah, so what we want to do here is first of all we're going to change our fiat. Yeah, so here we shall put what we want to use to buy the USDT. Remember, as I said earlier, we are going to be buying USDT. So here I'll be using Ugandan shillings, which is here, and then yes, so initially it was already in USDT. So initially it was in USDT, so let's wait for it to display the merchants that, yeah, so these are the merchants that are available right now, those that have posted ads and that we can buy from the USDT. So basically, let me walk you through some of the things. In case you want to buy, this is where you go. In case you want to sell your USDT, for instance, you already have USDT in your Binance account and you want to sell it, you'll click on sell right here, and I will still show you the merchants that have that can easily buy from you the USDT that you already have. Yeah, so but for this video we shall be concentrating on the buying. Yes, so once you see the merchants right here, the next thing to do is to check for which merchant suits your level, or which merchant suits the USDT that you need. The things that we consider here are, firstly, we consider the price. Then we'll consider also the payment method, as you see right here. Yes, so we see the first merchant right here is selling USDT at 3,720. Though for this merchant right here, it is limited, meaning he has restricted his buyers to some condition. We can check right here and see. Once you click that you want to buy, they will give you this notification. So what they're trying to tell me is your BTC position is less than 1, meaning I have less than 1 BTC in my account. So this specific merchant has specified that he only sells to those that have more than 1 Bitcoin in their accounts. Okay, so we shall look for those that favor us. So here we have this one, is it Professor UG? This one has USDT at 3,740. Yes, so the other thing that I didn't tell you, what we consider is the price range. So as we see right here we have available and then order limit. So what we see up here, this is the total USDT that he has, and then this is his limit. So his limit is from 50,000 to 541 point, 541 254.89. So that's his limit. If we check down here, this one is at 3,747. Yeah, so basically you check through and find which suits you. We have various, many of them right here. Yes, so once, I think I'll go with this because this one has, I think is the lowest right here, and the payment method is cheaper cash. Yeah, so once you've confirmed the payment method and everything, you come and click on buy. Yes, so after, we shall wait for it to load up. Yes, so this is what we have here. They're telling us, they're going to ask us for the amount. We have right here, this is the price, which was 30,740. So meaning every dollar that we buy, every USDT that we buy will cost us 3,740 Ugandan shillings. Yes, so we shall put in the amount. I think I will be buying USDT worth, let me first check my Binance, my cheaper cash to see the balance I have right there. So as you see right there, I have 270,000. I'm not really sure how much I will be charged in this transaction as I send, because what we are going to do is they're going to give us the payment details of this merchant. We shall send the amount to his payment method that is provided, and then once we confirm that we have sent, he will have to release the USDT into our account. Yeah, so let me put exact amount, and then to 70,000, and then I see, because that's exactly what I have in my account. Yeah, so I'll be receiving 72.19 USDT. Yeah, so let's proceed. We shall click on buy. Wait for it to load up. Yeah, so it has reflected. Yes, so order created. So the payment details are right here. So they're telling us his cheaper cash full name is Mugera Steven, and then the cheaper tag is at, I don't know what word this is, but we shall just have to use it the way it is. Yes, so in case we want to talk to the person directly, this is the place right here. So we see here we can talk to that person directly from here. Yes, so I'll copy this cheaper tag and then go into my cheaper cash, and as you can see here, he has told me to send the cash. Let me reply to him and be like, okay. Yes, I'll go into cheaper cash and then I make the transaction. Yeah, so what I'm going to do here basically is transfer the money to his cheaper cash tag. Yeah, so I'll basically transfer money. So this transaction, I discovered it's free. When you transfer into a cheaper cash tag, it is free. So I'll just have to send the full amount, which is 270. Showing the account with the one that you've processed in Binance P2P. So we have completed payment in cheaper cash. Then we shall come here and we tap on transferred. So that will notify Binance that we have completed the payment. So here they have told us order marked as paid. So we shall wait for this person to release the USDT into what? Our account. Yeah, so we can even send him a reminder and be like, payment complete or payment done. Yeah, so you shouldn't be scared. Make sure you at least make sure you do not release or make any transactions out of Binance. Make sure everything you do is within Binance. Yes, so we shall wait for this person to release funds. As we see here, we have under orders, we have 270,000. So we are waiting for him to release for us the what? Our USDT. So yeah, that is it. I think he has successfully released the USDT into our account. Yes, so that's how you can easily buy USDT from Binance P2P, Binance peer-to-peer. So it is simple as that. Just to be cautious, don't trust anyone. In case even when they send you a message, make sure you confirm your account to make sure that you have indeed received the payment. Do not make any transactions out of Binance. Yeah. Even when someone calls you and is like they have completed, as long as you have not confirmed receiving that amount, make sure you do not make any payments outside. Yeah, if you're to be safe. Yeah, so that's it basically for this video. That's how you transfer USDT from okay, that's how you buy USDT from others on what? On Binance P2P. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.